We are thrilled to introduce you to WallPanels.com, the first and only company dedicated to providing custom wall panel solutions for your clients. Imagine the potential to elevate your projects and increase your earnings by offering bespoke products such as media walls, fireplaces, bedrooms, stairways, hall entry walls, etc. Besides the wall panels, we also create custom cabinets, TV units, shelving, closets, bed back walls, hidden doors, room partitions, custom ceilings, and a lot more. Our goal is to help you bring your design visions to life with ease and precision. We can save your time and make your work and life easier. Here's how it works. 1. Bring your ideas. Share your design concepts with us. 2. Production. Once approved, we will produce the custom panels with the highest quality standards. 3. Installation. We offer flexible options for installation. You can choose to install the product yourself, or we will install it for you anywhere in the US. By collaborating with us, you not only enhance your design offerings, but also earn a commission for each project you bring to us. Let's work together to create stunning, custom interiors that your clients will love.